Humanoid robots aren't just a distant sci-fi dream anymore. They're already moving onto the factory floor. Figure AI has rapidly emerged as one of the fastest-growing robotics companies on the planet. But its journey started only a few years ago. Founded in 2022 by entrepreneur Brett Adcock, the company set out with a bold mission: to solve widespread labor shortages by building a general-purpose humanoid robot. Rather than constructing single-task machines, Figure AI envisioned adaptable humanoids capable of working seamlessly alongside humans in environments already designed for people, from warehouses and manufacturing plants to eventually our homes. That ambitious vision immediately captured the tech world's attention. Major tech giants and prominent investors poured billions of dollars into the startup, providing the capital needed to supercharge its development pipeline. The company's initial prototype, Figure 01, proved the concept was viable by walking, lifting objects, and carrying out basic manual tasks. Not content with early success, the team rapidly iterated to release Figure 02. This next-generation humanoid introduced enhanced mobility, more dexterous hands, onboard processing upgrades, and advanced artificial intelligence for real-time voice interactions. Shortly after, a landmark partnership with BMW put Figure AI on the map, deploying its robots inside an operational automotive manufacturing plant to handle repetitive assembly line work under real-world conditions. To power these complex operations, Figure AI developed its proprietary intelligence architecture, Helix. The system enables the robot to comprehend spoken commands, identify surrounding objects, and execute precise two-handed coordination for intricate tasks. Today, Figure AI stands as a dominant force in the robotics race. Armed with a multi-billion-dollar valuation and surging demand from global manufacturers, the company is actively transitioning from research to commercial mass production. While full-scale deployment across daily life will take time, Figure AI's rapid progress over just a few short years proves that the era of general-purpose humanoid assistance is arriving much faster than expected.